This is an unscripted, honest review about OBA or Online Business Academy. Legit ba ang OBA? Gaano katagal na ba ang OBA? At totoo bang sobrang daming pumapaldo dito sa online through this OBA? So, sasagutin natin lahat ng tanong na yan sa video na ito. Hi everyone, I'm Kayla. I'm a teacher by profession and a former government employee for 2 years. Kung napansin mo, nag-glasses talaga ako para makita mo, hindi ako teleprompter. So, OBA stands for Online Business Academy. I did my research, affiliate company niya si AGG, which has BIR and SEC registration po. And well, AGG is a 20-year-old company at while ang OBA is nag-run for the past 11 years na po. Plus, magkakaroon tayo ng 12th anniversary sa Cebu po yan. It is a legitimate system kung saan nag-run, as what I said, for 11 years. And dahil sobrang dami nating natulungan mga OFW, empleyado, senior citizen, mami, business owner, from the all walks of life, we were awarded by Asia Sterling Awards as the most outstanding online marketing system in the whole Asia. Well, kung sinasabing mong scam si OBA, sobrang dami po nating kasamahan dito, mga business partners, mga pa-doktor, mga attorney, meron din pong artista. Sila nga naniwala, ikaw pa kaya? Nationwide, we have over 200 offices po. Basically, meron sa main office natin sa Pasig, meron din po branch sa Cebu, meron din po tayo sa Davao City at hindi pa kasali yung mga small BCOs or business center offices nationwide, plus may mga international offices din po tayo. We have Dubai, ayan, mga African countries, and hindi ko na siya kabisado. Pero yun yung na-research ko. Well, I started here as a fresh graduate. Government employee ako as an information officer sa local unit namin, meaning hindi ko talaga siya linya. At first, hesitant nga ako if kaya ko ba talaga siya. Pero buti na lang, we have different trainings, mapa-online, offline, we have mentorings, and we have this what we call community support. Solid talaga yan dito sa Online Business Academy. I'm a teacher and na-inspire lang ako sa mga guro na andito, and dahil dyan pumapaldo din po tayo ng 4 dig to 6 dig per month na ang ginagawa lang natin ay nagkikater ng clients sa local and international. Ito siya, first-hand experience ko talaga. I've been in this industry for the past 3 years na po. Kaya kahit sobrang daming nagsabi about OBA as negative, ang daming mga comments, pero this is my first-hand experience. And well, if you want to learn more about OBA, you can comment dyan sa comment section ng I want to learn more. You can also follow me and you can also send me a DM if may mga questions ka pa. See you in my inbox!